Hello everyone, today's menu will be boneless pork chops with gravies. It's so simple and so delicious. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Here I have some thin boneless pork chop and they are about an 1/8 inch. So yeah, they're not too thick, they're really thin. And all I'm going to do with them is just season them with some salt. And you just want to season all of them, of course. And then some good old black pepper. You can go ahead and use white pepper too. Okay. And then some Italian seasoning. And then we're going to flip it and do the other side too. On medium heat, I'm going to add in some oil. And this is about 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, the oil is nice and hot and I'm going to add in the pork chops. It's been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm going to flip it and cook the other side for another 4 minutes. And then you'll want to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes and then remove it to a paper lined plate. The same pan, reducing the heat to medium low, I'm going to add in the butter. And then you just want to let this melt. And now that the butter has melted, I'm going to pour in the flour. And then you just want to whisk it. And then you just want to let this cook for about a minute or two. I'm going to slowly pour in the broth, whisking it. I'm just pouring slowly at a time until it becomes a nice smooth mixture for the rest of them. And then after this, you just want to let it cook for about a minute or two. Now you're going to want to season for taste. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, and then this part is optional. I'm going to add in some sour cream. This just give it some color and thicken up a little bit more. The gravy looks good, just the way I like it. If it's too runny, you can add a little bit more flour, but not too much. If it's a little too thick, you can add a little bit more broth. But this is perfect for me. I'm going to turn off the heat. And then we're going to add the pork chop back into the pan. Just want to snuggle them in there. Here is the end result of the boneless pork chops with gravy. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.